Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system, IIT JEE Mains part, the question, objective type questions. Here the model of questions is level 1 type questions. Question number 9. If capital A equal to A comma 2 small letter, B equal to B comma 3, then the x-axis divides AB in the ratio. Here the four options are given. Here the given point capital A is equal to A comma 2, the coordinates here x1, y1. B equal to capital B equal to B comma 3 small letter B comma 3, the coordinates are x2, y2. Here in this question, the ratio x-axis divides AB. Therefore, the ratio x-axis divides AB equal to minus y1 is to y2. This is the formula. Minus y1 is to y2. Here y1 equal to 2. y2 equal to 3. Substitute in this formula. Minus y1 2, y2 3. Minus 2 is to 3. In options, all are sentence form. If negative ratio is there, this is, if negative ratio is there, this is 2 is to 3 externally. 2 is to 3 externally. If the positive ratio is there, if m is to n, this is a positive, it represents m is to n internally. If the ratio is negative, minus m is to n, it is represent m is to n externally. Here the answer is 2 is to 3 externally. Second option is right. Question number 10. A point of trisection of the line joining the points minus 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma minus 4 is, here the four options are given. Here what is the definition of point of trisection? Here one concept, PQ is the line segment. PQ is the line segment. This line segment divides three equal parts. The distance of PR equal to distance of RS equal to distance of SQ. These three distances are equal. This is one part. This is also one part. This is also one part. Here R and S are the point of trisection of PQ. R is the first point of trisection. This divides PQ in the ratio R divides, this is one part, 1 plus 1, 2 parts, 1 is to 2. The first point of trisection, R divides PQ in the ratio 1 is to 2. Next, S, this is the second point of trisection. S divides PQ. This is 2 parts, 2 is to 1. S divides PQ in the ratio 2 is to 1. These R and S are internal points. PQ line segment, R and S are internal points. This is a section formula for internally. Suppose P is equal to x1 comma y1, Q is equal to x2 comma y2. If the ratio, this is m is to n form, the internal formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here the problem. Here to find the point of trisection. In this question, point of trisection means to find ratio 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1. Let capital A is equal to minus 1 comma 2, x1, y1. B is equal to 3 comma minus 4, x2, y2. Here the line segment points A, B. Okay, let it be P. This is P. This is Q. This is Q. Let R and S are the point of trisection. Here R R divides PQ. R divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. 1:2. Here this is M, this is N. Here to find or to apply the formula, section formula, mx2 1 into 3 3, nx1 2 into -1 -2, here -2, by m plus n 1 plus 2 3, comma my2 1 into -4 -4, ny1 2 into 2 4 plus 4, by 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1 by 3, -4 plus 4 0 by any number 0, 1 by 3 comma 0. In this option 1 by 3 comma 0, there is no in this option 1 by 3 comma 0. Next, to find second point of trisection. S divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. Here apply the formula 2:1. This is M, this is N. The formula is same. S equal to mx2 2 into 3 6, mx2 nx1 1 into -1 by m plus n 2 plus 1 3, 6 minus 1 5 by 3. 5 by 3 second option and fourth option is there. Next, to find the y coordinate, n y2, n is 1 into -4 comma, here m by2 first, m by2 2 into -4 -8, 2 into -4 -8, n y1 1 into 2 by m plus n 2 plus 1 3, 6 minus 1 5 by 3 -8 plus 2 -8 plus 2 -6 by 3, 3 1s 3 2, 5 by 3 comma -2, 5 by 3 comma -2, second option is correct. Once again explaining the S divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. Here m equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Apply the formula mx2 2 into 3 6, nx1 1 into -1 by m plus n 2 plus 1 3, comma, next my2 2 into -4 -8, ny1 1 into 2 by m plus n 2 plus 1 3, -8 plus 2 -6 by 3, 3 1s 3 2, 5 by 3 comma -2. Second option is correct. Next model of question, harmonic conjugate. Question number 11. The harmonic conjugate of 4, 1 with respect to the points 3, 2 and -1, 6 is. Here the 4 options are given. Here one concept. What is the meaning of harmonic conjugate? Here AB is the one line segment. This is point P divides AB internally in the ratio m:n. Internally means this ratio is positive. It is m:n. Let Q be the harmonic conjugate of AB, harmonic conjugate of P, harmonic conjugate of P, harmonic conjugate of P, harmonic conjugate of P. This Q divides AB, in the ratio harmonic conjugate of P. Let Q be the harmonic conjugate of P, divides AB in the ratio -m:n. Here the ratio is positive. Harmonic conjugate ratio is negative. Negative means it divides externally. Here once again, this is AB line segment. P divides AB internally. The ratio is m:n. If Q is the harmonic conjugate of P, it divides external point. The ratio is -m:n. If the ratio is positive, harmonic conjugate ratio is negative. If P ratio is negative, harmonic conjugate ratio is positive. If positive, the ratio divides internally. Negative, the ratio divides externally. Here to find ratio, the harmonic conjugate of 4 comma 1, let p is equal to 4 comma 1, let p equal to 4 comma 1, their line segment endpoint capital A equal to 3 comma 2, x1 y1 coordinates, capital B equal to minus 1 comma 6, x2 y2 coordinate. This is capital B. This is divide coordinate xy. Here P divides AB. In this question, to find the harmonic conjugate of this point, first to find the ratio. Ratio P divides AB. Ratio P divides AB. x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is the formula. Here x1 is 3. X value 4 minus 4 is to x is equal to 4. x2 is equal to minus 1. Minus plus 1. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 1 is to 5. That means here AB is the line segment. The point P divides externally. Here the ratio is negative. Minus 1 is to 5 means 1 is to 5 externally. Here the point P divides externally. Next, to find the harmonic conjugate of P, let Q is equal to harmonic conjugate of P. Then the ratio. Here ratio is negative, minus 1 is to 5. Then harmonic conjugate ratio take positive, 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5 means this is internal point. Q is the internal point. Q is equal to harmonic conjugate of P. Then the ratio is 1 is to 5. Divides AB internally. Here the ratio is positive, divides AB internally. Here m equal to 1, n equal to 5. To apply the formula to find harmonic conjugate point Q, the formula is internally formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the formula to apply the values. Here m is equal to 1, mx2 1 into minus 1, n x1 5 into 3, 15 by m plus n 1 plus 5 6. To observe that 15 minus 1 14 by 6, 2 7s 2 3s, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is the third option. This is the correct one. Next, to find the y coordinate m y2. Here m equal to 1, m equal to 1 into 6 n y1 5 into 2 10 by m plus n 1 plus 5 6, minus 1 plus 15 minus 14 by 6, 6 plus 10 16 by 6, 2 7s 2 3s, 2 8 2 3, minus here 15 minus 1 14, positive number. Here highest value 15 minus 1 14 by 6, 6 plus 10 16 by 6, 2 7s 2 3s, 2 8s 2 3s, 7 by 3 comma 8 by 3. This is the answer. Third option is correct. Question number 12. The triangle with the vertices 4 comma 3 minus 3 comma 2 1 comma minus 6 is. Here the four options are given. Here one concept. Here the triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. AB one side, BC is the second side, and AC is the third side. Here AC is the longest side compared to AB and BC. AC is the longest side. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. It represents right angled triangle. Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is the longest length. This is right angle triangle. AB square plus BC square less than AC square. Compare with the longest side. AB square plus BC square less than AC square. Then the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Suppose AB square plus BC square greater than AC square. This is the longest side. AB square plus BC square greater than AC square. It is acute angle triangle. Here first vertex, let A equal to 4 comma 3. B equal to minus 3 comma 2. B equal to minus 3 comma 2. C equal to 1 comma minus 6. First to find the distance between the sides AB, BC and AC. AB equal to square root of difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square. 4 minus of minus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 square, 49. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 square, 1. 49 plus 1, 50. Root 50. AB length equal to root 50. Next to find BC. Square root of minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square, 60. 2 minus of minus 6 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 square, 64. 64 plus 16, 6 4 10, 6 7 8, root 80, root 80. Next to find AC distance, AC distance. This is AC. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 3 square 9. 4 minus 1, 3, 3 square 9. 3 minus of minus 6 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 square, 81. 3 minus of minus 6 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 square, 81. 9 plus 81, 90. Root 90. Here AC is the longest length compared to AB, BC. Here AB square. AB square value equal to square. The root is cancelled, 50. BC square. BC square value is equal to, in square the root is cancelled, 80. The sum of AB square plus BC square. Sum of AB square plus BC square, 50 plus 80, 130. The third side AC square, root 90 whole square, 90. Compare with the third side, sorry, 130 degree, not 130 units. 130 units. AB square plus BC square equal to 130. AC square equal to 90. Compare with 130 is greater than 90. Here the condition AB square plus BC square is greater than AC square. AB square plus BC square is greater than AC square. If greater than is there, then the type of triangle is acute angled triangle. Then the triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle. Here the option is, second option is correct. Acute angled triangle. Question number 13. The points 0, 8 by 3, 1, 3, 82, 30 are vertices of. Here 3 vertices are given or the 4 options are given. In these 4 options, option 1, option 2, option 3. These are the triangle property. Fourth option is lies on a same line. This is a collinear one. Here to first verify these points. Here fraction is there. First to verify these points are collinear or not. Lies on a same lines means collinear. Let A equal to 0, 8 by 3. B equal to 1, 3. C equal to 82, 30. In collinear means all points lie on the same line. Here the slopes are equal. AB slope equal, BC slope equal and AC slope equal. Here to find the slope of AB. Slope of AB. Slope of AB. Difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1. 3 minus 8 by 3. 3 minus 8 by 3 by 1 minus 0. Here 3 is the LCM. 3 3 9. 9 minus 8 by 3 by 1. 9 minus 8 1. 1 by 3. Slope of AB equal to 1 by 3. Slope of AB equal to 1 by 3. Next to find slope of BC. Slope of BC. Here difference of y coordinate 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3 by 82 minus 1. 82 minus 1. 30 minus 3 27. 82 minus 1 81. Here 27 ones, 27 threes. 27 3 81, 1 by 3. Here to observe that slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Then the given points A comma B comma C lies on a same line. A comma B comma C lies on a same line. This is the fourth one is correct. Question number 14. A triangle with vertices 4 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 1, 3 comma 5. Here the four options are given. First to find the first point. Let A equal to 4 comma 0, B is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1, C is equal to 3 comma 5. Here to find AB distance, BC distance and AC distance. AB length square root of 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 square 25. 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 square 1. 25 plus 1 26. Root 26. Next to find BC. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square 16. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 whole square 36. 36 plus 16. 6 6 12. 3 4 5. Root 52. 16 plus 36 is equal to 52. Square root of 52. Next to find AC distance. AC. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 1. 1 square 1. 0 minus 5 minus 5 whole square 25. 25 plus 1 26. Root 26. Here to observe that AB length and AC length is equal. If two sides are equal, then the triangle is isosceles. Next to find the Pythagoras theorem. Here the BC is the longest length. Here BC is the longest length. AB square plus AC square. AB square equal to 26. Root cancelled. AC square root 26 in square, the root is cancelled. 26 plus 26 52. Here BC square, the longest length. BC square root 52 whole square 52. AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Here the Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. Here BC is the hypotenuse. Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square is satisfied, and two sides equal. AB equal to AC. Two conditions are satisfied. Then the triangle is isosceles and right angle. Triangle ABC is isosceles and right angled. First option is the correct. Okay, in this video series discuss about harmonic conjugate and nature of triangles. Next video discuss about collinear points and areas and quadrilateral. Next video discuss about. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section. The doubts is always subject point of view. The doubts is always subject point of view. The mathematics subject point of view, 2D coordinate system. Drop them in the comment section.